In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add country code to Google Sheets phone numbers. If you're preparing phone numbers for international messaging, imports, or analytics, adding a country code in Google Sheets is quick and reliable. Let's walk through it together so you understand exactly what's happening and why it works. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet that contains your phone numbers. Make sure you know which column holds the numbers. In this example, we'll assume the first phone number is in cell B2. Your sheet might look a little different, and that's fine. The method is the same. Click into an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Most people choose a cell in the same row as the first number, for example, the cell right next to B2. This keeps your original data untouched while creating a new, formatted version. Now type the formula exactly like this: Edis, Psia 63, and B2. Let's break down what that means. The equal sign tells Google Sheets you're entering a formula. The text inside the double quotes, plus 63, is the country code, in this case plus 63 for the Philippines. You should replace plus 63 with the country code you need. The ampersand is the concatenation operator, which simply means join this text to that cell's content. Finally, B2 points to the phone number you want to format. When you put it all together, you're telling Sheets to place the country code in front of whatever is in B2. Press Enter. You'll see the result immediately. The new cell displays the country code followed by the original phone number as a single piece of text. Because the formula includes text in quotes, Google Sheets treats the result as text, so the plus sign stays visible. If you ever notice the plus sign disappearing, it usually means the value is being interpreted as a number rather than text. With this formula, though, you should be set. A few helpful notes: you can swap plus or 63 for any country code you need, such as plus 1, plus 44, or plus 61. The formula doesn't remove spaces, dashes, or parentheses. It simply adds the code in front, so your formatting remains intact. If your phone numbers have leading zeros, this approach will keep them because the output is text. Also, make sure you reference the correct cell. If your first number is not in B2, adjust the cell reference accordingly. That's it. Open your sheet, click the cell where you want the result, type X63, then B2 with your country code, and press Enter. You'll have clean, consistent phone numbers with the correct country code added.